This Eddie from CLW. This is a WE made in Taiwan MP5K GBB, they call it Apache. The main difference between this MP5K and the VFC gas blowback is that they have used different design magazine, and the uploading port here is only at the middle. The VFC one is on the side, either left or right, and this magazine is much thicker than the VFC, so it's not. I don't think it's like the real MP5 magazine size. But anyway, we have a different feature, a 3-1 burst on this GBB, and the body is steel, so the weight is pretty heavy. That's why the price of this gun is not as cheap as we thought before, the MP5K. Open bow like this, but when you're shooting, it's in the closed bow situation. The package also comes with this kind of tools for loading and disassemble. So let's see the performance of this gun. We'll do a chrono test using the 0.2 WEBB and this top gas here. So when we load the gun, we can do a traditional MP5 loading method. Let's do a single shot chrono the power. Okay, first shot, 309 FPS. Missed. The fifth shot is 299. So then we do a shooting test. We close up on this here. So we do a single shot first. The lower black target. Fire. And 3-round burst. And then full auto. Okay, all the BBs is located at the bottom black target. So then you take out the magazine and do a simple disassemble for you to see how it looks like. So when you take out this plate, the spring will come out just like the real gun. And you can see the hammer assembly. They are not steel, they are just metal. And then you can take out the bolt. This is the bolt. It's less unrealistic compared to the VFC one, and you can see the loading assembly like that. So you can purchase this gun on our CLW website. And one more stuff, that our CLW coverall has been restocked. So you can see reinforced elbow, also Lee got reinforced. So if you want the SAS or SDU loadout, you can purchase also from our website. And the other feature of this cutting is that this area here, we are copying the real cutting, but we take out the collies because it's too hot for the airsoft use. If you see the real photo, that they have a very uptight collies inside here, but now just keep the hood and this feature here, so it's cover it up, well protected on your neck. So you can purchase from our website. Thank you.